Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone, and let me show you how to create a new Pinterest board from this mobile device. So at first, open Pinterest, then tap on plus icon and click on board. And first of all, you have to name your board. Then you can add some collaborations if you have some collaborator that you create this board with. And then you can set the privacy, so you can make it a secret one or leave it public. So it's up to you, and then just tap on create. And actually that's it. Now you can smoothly customize it, so you can add new pictures, new pins, or then organize them. And that will be all. This is it. This is how you can create a new board. Then it is to be found on your account. Let me just go back, and if you tap on saved, you will find this board right here. It is empty, but then you can smoothly add pictures here. So that will be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.